Tonight we're reflecting on what's happened since the disaster and the work that's yet to be done to build a stronger and more resilient East Palestine. Michelle Nix is there tonight. She begins our team coverage.
February 3rd, 8:55 p.m., a moment in time that will forever haunt the people of East Palestine. That's when their lives, health, safety, and security were shattered due to a toxic train derailment. On this one-year anniversary, one of a number of groups met to say a prayer at the exact time of that derailment. From the outside looking in, East Palestine may look like any other small town, USA. But 1 year later, the whistle of a train brings back painful memories of tanker cars that jumped the tracks, leaking toxic chemicals into the environment. Hillary Flint with the Unity Council says to this day she's among those who have respiratory issues and are now in a David and Goliath fight to secure special health care benefits.
So something that we're fighting for is it's called Section 1881A of the Affordable Care Act, and it's a provision that says if you are from a community that was harmed by an environmental toxin, you get Medicare for life. And that's something I think that these communities deserve.
Walter Call of East Palestine says he's more fearful than ever about what the derailment has left behind.
That we're still in danger.
Call has been speaking to the public about his fiancée, Wendy Groves, who died on December 17th. He believes from the effects of vinyl chloride that was on the train. She had a cough that turned into pneumonia, then a spot on her lung, determined to be cancerous.
They wasn't too worried about it because it was so small. But a week later, she couldn't breathe. Then she ended up in ICU on a respirator.
He's hired an attorney and says doctors have x-rays that showed she was healthy just months earlier. Now a community is trying to take their lives back, hoping they can paint a picture of a community rising from the ashes and like a bird, hopefully safely soaring again. President Joe Biden has recently announced he will travel here to East Palestine. Many of the people who live here just hope he will bring an emergency declaration and more help when he comes. Reporting in East Palestine, Michelle Nix, 19 News.